Question 10. We're given a base AB of 5 centimeters. The angle BAC is 120 degrees and BC is 10 centimeters. Let's construct it step by step. First, draw the base AB, 5 centimeters long. At A, construct an angle of 120 degrees and draw a long ray. The point C will lie somewhere along this ray. Now, C must be 10 centimeters from B. Open your compasses to 10 centimeters, place the point on B, and draw an arc. Where the arc crosses the ray is the point C. Join B to C to complete the triangle. Measuring angle ABC with a protractor gives about 34 degrees. Let's confirm that by calculation. By the sine rule. Side BC is opposite angle A, and side AB is opposite angle C. So sine C over AB equals sine A over BC. Rearranging, sine C is 5 times sine 120 over 10, which is 0.433. So angle C is about 25.7 degrees. Finally, the angles of a triangle add to 180. So angle ABC is 180 minus 120 minus 25.7, which is 34.3 degrees, matching our measurement. Well done. That's question 10.